With its new terrain compact SUV, GMC is trying to punch deeper into the premium side of the compact crossover world. That means nicer materials, more features and more options, but the two most interesting things to grace the new terrain have nothing to do with upscale aspirations. A 1.6-liter turbocharged i4 diesel and a new push-button shifter. Terrain models with gas engines also come with GM's new 9-speed transmission, though all get new styling and a redesigned media system. A push-button style gear selector is how you go in and out of reverse, drive and neutral. Cool your jets, Edsel fans. This isn't on the steering wheel, but is instead nestled in the center stack. For years, the GMC Terrain was built on the same Theta platform that supported the Chevy Equinox, which meant the Terrain shared a lot with its Bodhi-badged cousin. While both the new Equinox and Terrain kept the tradition of sharing a common platform, Delta II, this new platform was actually produced with the Terrain in mind, trying to sate outdoorsy types' desires of hauling a shed's worth of equipment. Everything besides the driver's seat can fold flat. Combine that with more upscale interior pieces like real aluminum trim, and it's a clear play to the outdoor enthusiast that also wants to drive something with some style. How do you get a 5,363-pound Jeep Grand Cherokee to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds? It's all in the details. It, of course, starts with the engine. The 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, the monstrous